Nestled along the stunning Gulf Coast of Florida, Naples is a vibrant city renowned for its picturesque beaches, upscale shopping, and luxurious living. Founded in the late 19th century, Naples has evolved from a small fishing village into a premier destination for tourists and residents alike. The city's charming downtown area features a delightful mix of boutiques, art galleries, and gourmet restaurants, making it a perfect spot for leisurely strolls and fine dining experiences. Whether you're planning a visit or considering a permanent move, Naples offers a unique blend of coastal charm and refined living. So here is the list of 10 best things to do in Naples, Florida. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to the channel and comment your favorite place. Here we go. Number 1. Naples Pier, a sunset lover's paradise. The Naples Pier is one of the most iconic landmarks in Naples and a favorite destination for visitors and locals alike. Built in 1888, the pier extends 1,000 feet into the Gulf of Mexico, offering breathtaking views, especially at sunset. Things to do at Naples Pier. Sunset watching. The sunsets here are spectacular, with the sky often painted in vivid oranges, purples, and pinks. Dolphin spotting. Dolphins are frequently seen playing near the pier, making it a prime spot for wildlife lovers. Fishing. Anglers can fish directly from the pier without needing a fishing license, as it is covered by the city. Beach relaxation. The soft sands of Naples Beach surround the pier, perfect for sunbathing and swimming. This historic pier is ideal for a laid-back day by the sea and serves as a hub for tourists looking to experience the natural beauty of the Gulf Coast. Number 2. Corkscrew Swamp Sanctuary. For nature lovers, the Corkscrew Swamp Sanctuary is a must-visit. Managed by the Audubon Society, this 13,000-acre sanctuary showcases some of Florida's most pristine ecosystems, including wetlands, pine flatwoods, and the largest remaining old-growth bald cypress forest in North America. What to explore at Corkscrew Swamp Sanctuary? Boardwalk Trail. The sanctuary features a 2.25-mile raised boardwalk trail that takes visitors through a variety of habitats. Wildlife spotting. Keep an eye out for alligators, wading birds, otters, and rare orchids along the trail. Bird watching. The sanctuary is a birder's paradise, with regular sightings of wood storks, herons, and spoonbills. Nature photography. The landscapes here are perfect for photography, with serene reflections in the swamp waters and towering trees creating natural frames. Corkscrew Swamp Sanctuary offers a peaceful retreat from city life and a unique opportunity to connect with Florida's wildlife and habitats. Number 3. Naples Zoo at Caribbean Gardens. The Naples Zoo at Caribbean Gardens is a favorite destination for families and wildlife enthusiasts. Originally opened as a botanical garden in 1919, it now houses a variety of animals from around the world while maintaining its lush tropical setting. Things to experience at Naples Zoo. Primate expedition cruise. Take a boat ride around the islands inhabited by monkeys, lemurs, and other primates. Wildlife shows. Enjoy live presentations featuring snakes, birds of prey, and other exotic creatures. Big cat exhibits. See lions, tigers, and leopards up close in spacious enclosures. Feeding giraffes. Visitors can get hands-on with the zoo's giraffe feeding station, an interactive experience that delights both kids and adults. The Naples Zoo combines education and entertainment, making it an essential stop for families looking for an engaging day out. Number 4. Laudermilk Beach Park. Laudermilk Beach Park is one of the best public beaches in Naples, offering a mix of relaxation and amenities. Whether you want to swim, have a picnic, or simply unwind under a palm tree, this park provides a serene beach experience. What to do at Laudermilk Beach Park? Beach activities. Swim in the calm Gulf waters or play beach volleyball with friends. Picnic areas. The park features shaded picnic pavilions and grills, perfect for a seaside lunch. Kayak and paddleboard rentals. Explore the Gulf by renting kayaks or paddleboards. Children's playground. Families with young kids will appreciate the on-site playground for extra fun. With plenty of amenities and stunning ocean views, Laudermilk Beach Park is ideal for those seeking both relaxation and recreation. Number 5. Naples Botanical Garden. Covering 170 acres, the Naples Botanical Garden is a lush retreat showcasing plant life from tropical regions around the globe. The garden's mission is to conserve and protect flora while offering visitors an immersive experience in nature. Highlights of Naples Botanical Garden. Themed gardens. Explore sections like the Asian Garden, Brazilian Garden, and Caribbean Garden, each featuring regional plants and design elements. Butterfly House. Wander through a vibrant space filled with native butterflies and colorful flowers. Water gardens. Tranquil water features and lily ponds create picturesque moments throughout the garden. Children's Garden. Families can enjoy the playful features of the garden, such as splash zones and interactive exhibits. The Naples Botanical Garden offers a tranquil escape from the urban bustle, providing visitors with both educational insight and aesthetic pleasure. Number 6. Revs Institute. For those interested in automotive history, the Revs Institute is a hidden gem. This museum houses a world-class collection of rare and vintage automobiles, showcasing the evolution of car design and engineering. What to see at Revs Institute? Classic car collection. Admire over 100 cars, including iconic models from Ferrari, Porsche, and Bugatti. Educational exhibits. Learn about the technological and cultural impact of automobiles through interactive displays. Motorsport history. Discover the stories behind famous race cars and their drivers. Photography opportunities. The museum allows photography, so enthusiasts can capture the beauty of these mechanical works of art. The Revs Institute provides a unique cultural experience, perfect for those with a passion for cars and history. Number 7. Sun and Fun Lagoon Water Park. Sun and Fun Lagoon is the ultimate destination for families and water lovers in Naples. This water park offers an exciting escape from the heat with thrilling water slides, lazy rivers, wave pools, and splash zones for all ages. Whether you're looking to relax or experience an adrenaline rush, the park caters to everyone. Highlights of the park. Big Corkscrew Island, a towering water slide that promises twists, turns, and speed. Family Falls, a massive interactive play area where kids can run wild, complete with water cannons and splash buckets. Lazy River, enjoy a peaceful float along a winding waterway, perfect for those seeking relaxation. Dolphin Dive and Tadpole Pool, specially designed for younger children with shallow water, smaller slides, and water toys. Why it's worth visiting. With its variety of activities and attractions, Sun and Fun Lagoon is the go-to spot for families visiting Naples. The park provides shaded areas and snack bars, ensuring a comfortable experience for parents while kids indulge in water-based fun. It's an ideal way to cool off after a day at the beach or sightseeing around Naples. Number 8. The Naples Players. For those who appreciate performing arts, the Naples Players is a must-visit destination. Established in 1953, this award-winning community theater delivers high-quality productions ranging from classic plays to contemporary musicals. Located in the heart of downtown Naples on 5th Avenue South, the Naples Players Theater is an integral part of the city's cultural fabric. What to expect? Broadway-caliber shows. Popular productions like The Sound of Music and Mamma Mia take the stage throughout the season. Black Box Theater. This smaller, intimate venue allows visitors to experience experimental plays and one-act performances. Youth programs. The Naples Players offers acting classes, camps, and workshops for young aspiring performers. Why you should go. Attending a show at the Naples Players is more than just a night out. It's a way to connect with the local community. The theater's productions are often accompanied by pre-show talks, offering a deeper insight into the storylines. Whether you're an art aficionado or just seeking a memorable night out, the Naples Players will exceed your expectations. Number 9. Artis Naples. Artis Naples is the cultural heart of Naples, offering an eclectic blend of art exhibitions, symphonic performances, and educational programs. It's home to both the Baker Museum and the Naples Philharmonic, making it a one-stop destination for cultural experiences. Whether you enjoy visual art, live music, or theater, Artis Naples provides something to inspire every visitor. What to explore at Artists Naples? The Baker Museum features a collection of modern and contemporary art, including sculptures, paintings, and photography. Naples Philharmonic. From classical symphonies to Broadway shows, the Philharmonic showcases world-class musical talent. Art and music workshops. Artists. Naples hosts engaging workshops and lectures, offering visitors a chance to interact with artists and musicians. Seasonal exhibitions and performances. Artists Naples regularly updates its schedule, so there's always something new to explore. Why you shouldn't miss it. Artists Naples reflects the city's vibrant cultural scene and attracts visitors from around the world. Whether you catch a concert, wander through the museum, or attend an art workshop, the experience at Artists Naples will leave you with a deeper appreciation for the arts. Plan ahead to secure tickets for events and exhibitions, as many performances sell out quickly. Number 10. Tin City Waterfront Shops. Tin City Waterfront Shops offers a unique shopping experience that combines the charm of an old fishing village with modern boutiques and eateries. Located along Naples Bay, Tin City is a popular destination for visitors looking for one-of-a-kind souvenirs, waterfront dining, and scenic views. What to do at Tin City? Boutique shopping. Discover locally made jewelry, arts and crafts, and beachwear. Many of the shops specialize in unique gifts you won't find anywhere else. Waterfront dining. Enjoy a meal with a view at one of Tin City's waterfront restaurants, such as Riverwalk Restaurant or Pincher's Crab Shack. Scenic boat tours. Several tour operators depart from Tin City, offering dolphin-watching cruises and sunset tours along Naples Bay. Homemade fudge and gelato. Don't miss the chance to sample sweet treats from local confectioneries. Why it stands out. Tin City's laid-back vibe makes it a great place to unwind after a day of sightseeing. It's not just a shopping destination, it's a reflection of Naples' coastal heritage. Whether you're strolling along the waterfront or enjoying a sunset cruise, Tin City offers a perfect blend of shopping, dining, and relaxation. The last word. So guys, this was the best list of things to do in Naples, Florida. Hope you will like it and appreciate it. People who come to this city are amazed by all of the awesome things there are to do and see. Naples is also known for its thriving arts scene, with numerous theaters, museums, and cultural festivals throughout the year. The Naples Philharmonic and the Artists Naples Complex host a range of performances, from classical music to contemporary dance, enriching the local cultural landscape. Overall, Naples combines natural beauty, luxurious amenities, and a rich cultural scene, making it a sought-after destination for those seeking relaxation and sophistication. Whether you're planning a visit or considering a permanent move, Naples offers a unique blend of coastal charm and refined living. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icons for latest upcoming travel videos. Bye-bye, see you.